In our previous lecture, we learned the basic rules of active voice and passive voice and what active and passive voices are. Today, first of all, we will revise rule number 5. Helping verbs of passive voices are changed according to the following table. If in active sentence, present form of verb is used, while making passive voice, we used helping verb is am are. If there is a past form of verb or helping verb date, was or were are used. If there are will or shall in active sentence, will be or shall be will be used. If there is, am, are or were or was, we will add being after these helping verb. And if there are has, have, had, will have or shall have, we will add been after these helping verbs and it will become has been, have been, had been, will have been or shall have been. So today we will do practice of these 5 changes one by one. So our first practice is, when there is a present form of verb or helping verb do does, we in passive voice we will use helping verb is, am or are. Is will be used with he, she, it or singular noun. Am will be used with I. Are will be used with we, you, they and plural noun. So first of all, see if there in assertive or simple sentences. Active sentence is he writes a letter. First of all, identify which form of verb is used in this sentence. Here, first form of verb writes is used. So if there is a first form of verb, the helping verb is am or are will be used. A letter is a singular noun, so with a singular noun we used is. So a letter is written by him. Rest of the changes we have already learnt in our previous lecture, how to change subject into object and how to make an object a subject and which form of verb is used in passive voice. There is always third form of verb used in passive voice, whatever the form of verb there is in active sentence, and by is used before object, and how a pronoun is changed in objective case. So our negative sentence is, he does not write a letter. A letter is not written by him. In interrogative, does he write a letter? Is a letter written by him? With rest of the pronouns, we will also do practice today. She writes a letter. A letter is written by her. Alia writes a letter. A letter is written by Alia. I write a letter. A letter is written by me. You write a letter. A letter is written by you. We write a letter. A letter is written by us. They write a letter. A letter is written by them. When we make negative sentences, it will be look like, she does not write a letter. A letter is not written by her. Alia does not write a letter. A letter is not written by Alia. I do not write a letter. A letter is not written by me. You do not write a letter. A letter is not written by you. We do not write a letter. A letter is not written by us. They do not write a letter. A letter is not written by them. In interrogative sentences, does she write a letter? Is a letter written by her? Does Alia write a letter? Is a letter written by Alia? Do I write a letter? Is a letter written by me? Do you write a letter? Is a letter written by you? Do we write a letter? Is a letter written by us? Do they write a letter? Is a letter written by them? So in this way, the rest of the changes, practice with rest of the changes will be done, and with all pronouns you will make negative and interrogative and assertive sentences. So move on our next change. If in active sentence there is a past form of verb or helping verb date, helping verb was or were will be used in passive sentence. Was will be used with he, she, it, I and singular noun. Were will be used with you, we, they and plural nouns. So our first example, he wrote a letter. Here form of verb is past, so in passive voice helping verb was is used. A letter was written by him. He did not write a letter. A letter was not written by him. Did he write a letter? Was a letter written by him? So look at these examples and remember it. So there is a practice chart. You will do it yourself. There are assertive sentences, and you will also make negative and interrogative sentences. So note down. Our third change, if in active sentence there are will or shall, while making passive voice we will use helping verb will be or shall be instead of will or shall. So with he, she, it, you, they, singular and plural nouns will be used. With I and we, shall be will be used. So look at our example. He will write a letter. A letter will be written by him. He will not write a letter. A letter will not be written by him. Will he write a letter? Will a letter be written by him? So note down, in compound helping verb like will be, where two words are used that are called compound. So in compound helping verbs, in negative sentences, not is used in between two words. You can see not is used in between will and be, and in interrogative sentences, subject is written in between will and be. A letter is a subject, it is written in between will and be. So note these things in compound helping verbs, how negative and interrogative sentences are made. So this is your practice. Look, third sentence, I shall write a letter. The passive of it will be, a letter will be written by me. Here you can see helping verb will be is used with letter, while in active sentence shall is used. Why we did not use shall be there in place of will be? We did not use shall. The reason is that helping verbs are always used with subject. So in passive the subject is a letter, and with a letter we will use will, not shall. So this is the reason. Note down these things also. So next change is about is, am, are, was, were. If in active sentence these helping verbs are used, in passive we will add being after these helping verbs. And see example, he is writing a letter. A letter is being written by him. He is not writing a letter. A letter is not being written by him. So focus on helping verbs, how these are changed. In interrogative, is he writing a letter? Is a letter being written by him? He was writing a letter. A letter was being written by him. He was not writing a letter. A letter was not being written by him. So in all these sentences you can see how compound helping verbs are used in interrogative and negative especially. So this is your practice chart. You will do it yourself. And look, third one, I am writing a letter. Here in passive, instead of using helping verb am being, we used is being. The reason is same, because with a letter we will use is being. So do the rest of the sentences yourself and make also negative and interrogative. In this chart, look at the fourth sentence. You were writing a letter. Here in passive, a letter was being written by you. Here helping verb was being is used instead of were. The reason is same. With a letter is singular, so for singular noun we used was, and you with you we used were. So note down these things also. our last change is if inactive sentence there are has, have, had, will have or shall have, we will add been after these helping verbs. So with which pronoun we will use has been, and with which pronoun we will use have been. With he, she, it and singular noun has been will be used, and with I, we, you, they and plural noun have been will be used. And had been will be used with all pronoun and all subject, all singular or plural nouns. We will use had been. Will have been will be used with he, she, it, you, they, singular and plural nouns, and I and we will be used with shall have been. See our first example. He has written a letter. A letter has been written by him. He has not written a letter. A letter has not been written by him. Has he written a letter? Has a letter been written by him? He will have written a letter. A letter will have been written by him. He will not have written a letter. A letter will not have been written by him. Will he have written a letter? Will a letter have been written by him? So see here, there in helping verb there are three words: will, have, and been. So not is used after will. Will not have been. An interrogative sentence: will a letter have been. Subject is written after will, and next of the helping verbs are used after subject. Will a letter have been written by him? Note these things also. Do this practice yourself. And look the fourth one. A letter has been written by you. In active, you can see helping verb have is used, but in passive has is used. The reason is that have was used with you and has been is used with a letter. So note this thing that helping verbs are used with according to the subject. So do this practice yourself and make also negative and interrogative sentences of these. Here see, I shall have written a letter. A letter will have been written by me. There, helping verb will have been used instead of shall have been. The reason is same. Will have been is used according to subject a letter, and shall have is used according to subject I. So make negative and interrogative sentences of these and do focus on helping verbs.